Hello everyone, welcome back to KK Creations Official. I hope you all are doing great. Today I am making instant recipe for breakfast, egg and capsicum. So let's get started. Ingredients that you need: spring onion, capsicum, egg. Cut capsicum into thick slices. In a pan, add oil. Now place capsicum in oil. Add egg in center. Pinch of salt. Spring onion. Splash some oil and let it cook, or you can simply cover the lid. Cook on low flame. Sprinkle some black pepper. It's ready. You can cook it in other ways too. Cook from both sides. I hope you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, like, comment and share it with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching.